What's up guys, today I will show you how to download and install VS Code or Virtual Studio Code for your PC. So at first you need a search engine to download VS Code. It is really very easy. You write VS Code download like me on the search bar. Then you click on the first link. There are many options: Windows, Linux and MacBook. Which option do you want? I am using Windows, so I click on the Windows option for my better. Then simply click on download. Then choose a folder. If you don't have, you can create a new, like me. I'm creating a new folder. Then rename the folder. It is really very important to find your folder. Then save and wait for the downloading. The main tasks are done. Maybe the downloading is finished. Oh yeah, the downloading is finished. Then you go to the folder which you created and double click on the VS Code user setup exe and accept all the agreements. You can read also. Then click on next, then install. It is installing. Oh yeah, it will take some time. Don't worry, don't be worried. Maybe the installing is complete. Oh, your VS Code is here. Click on the finish. Look, here is the VS Code. Oh, the work is finished.